video. So today's video is going to be a declutter of my makeup stash that I have like kind of hidden in my closet away from my husband because I am a freaking hoarder. I have a problem and I just keep buying makeup because I need it. Like that's what my excuse is. I need it. So yeah, I'm just gonna be going through some of the stuff that I have hidden. I have it in this bag right here. Now, not all of it is from Sephora. Some of it is drugstore. I just like store it in that bag because it was a pretty good size, and it's like I hid it in a little spot that I have in my closet. So hopefully my husband's not watching this because then he'll know where my stash is at. But it's just kind of like a little haul going over my little makeup stash. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start pulling from within. So this item right here, this is the Sleek Makeup Bring on the Night, and this is a kit where it has the highlighter, the blush kit, and an eyeshadow palette. I got this during December, during the holidays, and I got it for half off. I got it at Walgreens, so this is a drugstore brand. I don't see it all the time at the drugstore, but this one I got it at Walgreens. And I'm excited to try out this brand. The whole reason why I got it was because this little highlighting palette was like a hot topic. I don't remember if it was 2016 or 2017 or something like that. I'm not sure, but I got it for half off, and it was like, I think it cost like 30 bucks, but I got it for 15. So I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna get it. This is what this looks like, just to give you guys an idea. Let me open it up. It looks like from the inside. This is the cheek palette, and it's really pretty. It has like orangey, like a little coral shade, and then like a peachy shade right under there. This is what it looks like, and then of course it has a little mirror on the side. This one was the first palette. Then I got this eyeshadow palette that came in there as well. I think this is like the romance palette or something like that. I'm not quite sure. And then this one is the star. Oh, it doesn't go all the way back. That kind of sucks. This is the star of the show. The whole reason why I got this kit was because of this highlighter. I know and I heard that it was really, really good. So this was the whole reason why I got it. But I don't like that it doesn't go like all the way back. It just kind of like sits there. Do you guys know what I mean? So yeah, this one was the first item that I haven't got to, but I'm very excited to try out that brand, which is the Sleek brand. So the next thing that I had got was this right here, and this is the Snowball kit, and this is the PREP+PRIME Fix Trio. Super cute. Since I love freaking setting sprays, I am obsessed. I'm so excited to try this out. This one was a gift from Christmas, and it was from my beautiful assistant, Lizzie Twizzy. And she also went ahead and she gave me the Snowball lip kit, which is this right here. And I think they're all matte MAC lipsticks. Let me swatch them to show you guys what they look like, because I haven't even swatched them myself. So we will swatch them together. The first one I swatched was this color right here, and it's this lipstick. It's called Nude Dior. You guys, oh my god, these MAC lipsticks smell so good. Oh my god, I love how they smell. The next one is this one right here, and it's called New Vogue. I'm not sure what the name is. I probably butchered the shit out of it, but it is this really pretty, almost like a rosy mauvey rose color. Super cute. The next one is this one, which is a red one, and I'm so blind. And this one's called Russian Red. Oh my god, how pretty is that? I get so excited when I see makeup. Super, super pretty and pigmented, and they smell so bomb. And the last one on here was this color right here, and it's called Antique Velvet. Ooh, I like already. Okay. Oh my god, I thought it was gonna be like a plummy color. It's more of like a brown. And that one doesn't look like it would be a matte. It's more of like it has a little sheen to it. So super cute. I love these lipsticks. Shout out to Liz. Thank you so much for those items. those are all part of my stash as well that I haven't gone through. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue. Next item that we have is this right here. I don't know if you guys remember seeing this. This was like launched during the holidays. So this is the Too Faced Boss Lady Beauty Agenda Best Year Ever 2018. So inside of it, it has an agenda, obviously. So I got that because I need to start planning. I need to stay on top of my shit, like with planning. So I need an agenda, and it's super cute and girly and pink like myself. And so right in here, it has, if you guys can see, it has the really pretty palette. And inside, which is this right here, so it looks like a little book. It's super cute. And then inside it has the whole agenda thing. So like the month of January is pretty much gone and over with. So I hope to start using this, and like one of my goals is to be a better planner. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, this was one of the items that I got as well. The next item that I got in here was this. This is the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro, and I love setting sprays. Like I'm a fanatic of setting sprays. I look forward to setting my face once I'm done doing all my makeup. So I got this right here, and this is a setting spray. It's a makeup setting spray by BH Cosmetics, and I got this at Ulta, and I think it was like 10 bucks or so. The next thing I have in my stash over here is a backup, and this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation. I go through these all the time because, you know, I'm all about the cake face and the coverage. And I think I got it on sale, or I had a coupon at Ulta, and I got it like for really, really cheap. I can't remember the price. But this is the shade number 4. So yeah, this is what's in my stash as well. Really, really quickly, I also got this. I got this at Walgreens, and this is the Equal Tools Perfecting Blendy Duo. And I got it because I really wanted to try out this sponge. Like, I'm a huge fanatic of the Real Technique sponge, the orange one. And I like how it has that angle. So I had heard that this one was really, really good. So it was like similar to it. So I wanted to give this one a try. So I got little sponges in there. The next thing I got was this. This is a Tarte eyelash curler, and it has like a, I think it's a mascara. Yeah, it's that mascara that we got. Okay, so it's this one, I think. Although mine is super crusty. This one was from BoxyCharm. But I'm pretty sure it's the exact same thing. It's just a little mini one. And it's super cute. It's super bling blingy-ful. Really cute and pinky and girly. So that's what's in my stash. The other thing I got was this right here. And this is the Blogger series. And this is the Allure Nicole Guerrero edition, YouTuber edition of eyelashes. So these are them. They're super pretty, super cute. I'm excited to try those out. The next thing that's in this ginormous bag is this right here, and this is from NYX. It doesn't have the makeup in there because I think I already used it. I think I had bought an eyeliner. I needed a backup for my eyeliner, and it's somewhere in here. But they gave me these little cute makeup stickers that I would probably use inside my little agenda, like throw it in there, make it look cute when I'm planning, something like that. What else? I have backups of my Tarte Shape Tape concealers. I have 2 of them, and they are in the shade light medium. Now I also did buy the foundations. I have those set aside because I want to put them to test and a review, since my skin is super oily and acne prone. So I'm gonna set that aside. Oh, this right here, I got this for my VIB Beauty Insider points when I hit the 500 mark. And it's really pretty. So it comes in with the little sleeve. This is the Kat Von D little beauty box. And it comes in with, it's so cute inside, but I don't want to dump it. I don't want to throw it because it'll fall and break since I'm so clumsy. It comes in with the 2 little perfumes, the little sample perfumes, and the little white one is the Saint. The black one is the Sinner. Can you guys see them? They're really, really small. But I love perfume samples. I look forward to that. The next thing we got is a little mirror. It comes in with the little Kat Von D mirror. Super cute just to throw in your makeup bag. It comes in with this little makeup I think it's like a little translucent setting powder from Kat Von D. I haven't tried it yet. It also comes in with the Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner, and it also came in with a little mini lipstick, but I already used it and it's already somewhere in my makeup vanity. I don't know where, but yeah, I also had that in there. This is what that looks like. This is what the lipstick looks like. It was a really pretty red shade and it was very durable. I really liked it. The next thing that I have over here is this Milani Flower Blush. This was a really pretty color, so of course I got it. And the blush is so pretty, just like the compact and the flower, how it's in there. The whole packaging thing, it got me. I got this one at Walgreens. I go to Walgreens a lot, so I got pretty much all my drugstore stuff is from Walgreens. And this one is called Romantic Rose. And that is what that looks like. What else do I have in here? Oh, just random shit. I got these little crystals, these little stickies. So it has the little jewels, and this is by the brand Kiss, and it is the real crystals. So they're just like little stickers where you could do your own little mani. So I thought that was super cute, and I got it at Walgreens as well. And what else do I have in here? This is my last item. The last thing I have is this Sephora, I think it's a lip mask. Yep, it's a Shea lip mask. So that's for the lips. And I think this is it. I'm done hoarding my little stash. I'm going to put these items to use. And yeah, so that is my inner junkie obsession that I have, like kind of hidden. Like I just keep stashing my makeup. Yeah, I have problems. So yeah, I hope that you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to give me some thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, let me know so I can show you some love. If you have a YouTube channel as well, let me know. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.